A British favorite during the holidays are Christmas crackers. No, not the kind that you can eat, but a fun party favor that each person pulls apart to reveal tiny gifts inside, including a paper crown, a joke, good wish, or trivia, and a small prize. Modern day packages of Christmas crackers usually show you on the back what the prizes will be inside the wrapped cardboard tubes that you buy. So the first one that I opened before this video started, I got a little barrette, and it looks like it's usable, like for if you had really thin hair, or you could put it on something. And then there's a paper crown. It's made out of tissue paper, so it's not going to be like a crown that's going to last forever, usually just the day. And then I also got, besides my cool paper crown, I got a little, it's a joke. So let's see what it says. It is, rah, 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 what you get when you cross a cow and a lemon, sour cream. And did you know that Australia is bigger than the moon, or wider than the moon? So let's open another one and see. So it's a cardboard tube. These, usually they come wrapped in colored paper or Christmas wrapping paper. This one looks like the tube's just decorated. You grab both ends because one of the ends is going to have like a little pop, like a snap when you pop it open. There we go. A little tiny cheese grater. Aww. So that's my prize out of my cracker. And then let's see what's else inside. We have our little paper, which has I guess there are jokes on there. So let's see what this one is. What did Mommy Oyster sing to the baby oyster? Mary had a little clam. And do you know the word lethologica describes a state of not being able to remember the word you want, or the word you possibly can't almost pronounce. And then what we have here, where's my crown? Where's my crown? Digging out the crown, and I have a yellow crown. Open up my tissue paper crown that I will wear on Christmas morning. And there you have it, folks. Christmas crackers. It's a British party favor for the holidays that we used to do when my grandma was alive. But we just kind of get them now just for sentimental Christmas memories. Enjoy!